Hi everyone, I'm Seiji and I'm a security engineer here at Prelude. Today I'll be presenting a new chain as part of the APT29 theme. This chain is based on Operation Ghost that continued from 2013 and lasted until at least late 2019. High-profile organizations such as embassies in the US have been identified as victims from this campaign. This chain emulates part of the stager used to drop the malware onto the system. We simulated this by extracting a Python script from an image file. We hope this chain helps in demonstrating evasion techniques by adversaries. The image on the top right is the file containing our script. There's little difference between the original image since we only manipulated the bottom 2 or 3 bits of the RGB colors in order to encode our content. We'll now run the chain. We first drop the image file into var temp. We then utilize our decoder script to decode the contents of the JPEG and save it on disk. Finally, using the output of the previous script, we execute Schism, a Python-based agent. This concludes the Operation Ghost chain. Stay tuned for our next chain release by clicking subscribe or going to our blog. Thanks for watching.